Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JN Coders. We are going to build an automatic image slider in a Flutter application. Let's start with the main.dart, which is the boilerplate of this application. Now remove all code and create a new project. First, add a material package and call a main function, which is an entry point for the Flutter application. Insert a run app property and create a widget called my app. Define a class called a stateless and insert a specified widget. Return a material app property. This property contains a home widget. Inside this widget, write a file name, go to a lib and create a folder called screen. Inside this screen, generate a file called auto-add-slider.dart. Start with a material package. Create a new class called stateful and insert a specified file name. Let's return a scaffold and insert an app bar widget for heading preview. Import the home screen, which is linked to the main file. These lines are showing cons constructor errors. So go to the analysis option file where we fix the cons constructor errors. Perfect. Go to a body section and add a column for vertical display. Inside this column, insert a page view builder property. This property contains an item builder property for index. So we will return a container. This container define dimension for image preview. The page view builder property required space. So add size box property for height. Create an image folder. Then insert the images into it. Create a list and link them to an image folder accordingly. So open the Perspec YAML file and define the location for the image folder. Now add a list name inside this property to count a user length. This property contains a scroll direction, so choose widget for horizontal sliding. Now in this container, add a required information. It is visible now on display. Indicate the current category number, which start at 0. Page view builder contains an on change property to manage pages. Now inside this property, add a setState method and insert a page category to link with it. We will create a small container as a mark of the current page. So select the list view builder, and the list view builder contains an item builder property for index. The list view builder also requires space, so we add a size box widget. We can extend the width of the container to be prominent on the current page. And also change the color of the extended container. You can see it on display. For using an auto function, create a void function. Now create a page controller function to link with the onPage controller property. And insert this function in a void function with the animated to page property. Void function is ready now. To utilize auto initialization, create a function called initState and insert the name of the void function. Perfect, it's working now. Thank you for joining me on this Flutter journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials on JEncoders. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to ask.